Hi guys, and to this video meron ako i-share sa inyo na kung saan meron akong pangatlong credit card na dumating, which is one na Metrobank. Yung dumating ko, Visa Platinum. Okay, so alamin nyo na lang kung magkano yung credit limit na ibinigay. Pero yung aking mga ibang bank is medyo malaki yung credit limit compared dito. Pero syempre, pera pa din to. And kapag nagkaroon naman tayo ng credit card, ang gawin natin is pangalagaan natin yung ating credential when it comes sa utang. Kapag once na nag-loan tayo ng sasakyan or anything na loan, kapag hindi natin na-settle out ito, magkakaroon tayo ng bad record. In this video, ang gagawin ko ay activate ko yung aking Metrobank credit card kahit wala akong savings account sa Metrobank, di ba? Kasi sa mga iba, kinakailangan mo na mag-open ng savings bank bago ka magkaroon ng account sa ganung bank. Pero dito, susubukan ko, and andito naman yung instruction on how to create activate your card. So, susundan ko lang instruction kung paano mag-activate, and pwede tayo mag-activate dalawang ways kung paano tayo mag-activate ng ating credit card if mayroon kayong credit card na Metrobank. Bawat bangko meron tayong ways kung paano natin ma-activate yung ating bank account. Since may account ako sa BPI, through online lang din yun, QR code, and din sa ano naman, sa isa, sa China Bank, I think, text ako through SMS. Ito yung instruction. Una is download the Metrobank app to activate your card. Kung ang gamit mo ay Android, pupunta ka sa Play Store. Since ang gamit ko ay iPhone, which is pupunta tayo sa App Store, and then search mo yung Metrobank and download mo yung Metrobank app. Number 2 instruction, sign up on the app with your new card, which is susundan lang natin, babasahin naman natin yung application and mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo. And number 3, log in to the dashboard and tap the activate card. Input your Metrobank app passcode to confirm activation. Yung passcode, yung gawa ka ng passcode, yung 6-digit passcode. And for the first time, Metrobank credit card holders, online transaction will be enabled in the Metrobank app within 24 hours for enhance the security. May enable yung ating credit card within 24 hours. If kung through text naman, text ACT capital space yung 16-digit credit card number and send to, makikita nyo naman yan sa sa pinaka confirmation, this one, yung sa papel. Kung interested ka malaman kung paano natin ma-activate yung ating credit card, ang gamit my Metrobank, samahan niyo po ako. And ang aking YouTube channel, nagsishare po ako ng mga tutorial. Kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, click the subscribe button, kalimbay mo na notification bell para updated ka sa may upload kong video. And let's go! Na-download ko na yung application ng Metrobank app and pupunta lang sa Metrobank app. May mga notification na lalabas. It's up to you kung i-allow mo lang or don't allow. May tatlong dot. All we have to do is scroll right lang natin what's in the Metrobank app, dashboard, like that. And all account is one place. And a better online banking experience. And tap lang po natin dito sa baba, continue to login screen. And again, it's up to you kung gusto mo i-turn on yung location sa application na to. Since mag-create tayo ng account, you don't have account yet, tatap lang po natin si sign up. And check lang natin yung I understand and know how bank securely and protect myself from associated risk. Tap lang po natin si continue kapag once na na-check na natin ito. And the next one, let's get started. I-indicate dito yung account number or ita-type dito. If it is 13 or 16, since na credit card, indicate ko dito yung aking 16-digit number. And mag-a-assign tayo dito ng ating alias. Input ko muna yung data na hinihingi from account number at saka yung account alias. And the next one, name on card, kung ano naka-indicate sa card natin or emboss name, indicate lang po natin dito at saka date of birth, kung ano yung birthday natin, and account alias. Mag-assign tayo ng, or in short, palayaw natin. Na-input ko na yung data na hiningi from account number, name on card, date of birth, And account alias, kapag once okay na, tap lang po natin si next. And the next one, help us secure your account. Indicate natin dito yung ating mobile number and yung ating email address. Input ko muna. We need to indicate our mobile number and email address to verify our account. Kapag once okay na yung mobile number natin at saka email address, tap lang po natin si next. And the next step is that tell us about yourself. Ilalagay po natin dito yung ating first name, middle name, last name at saka yung ating nickname. Input ko muna yung aking first name, middle name, last name at saka yung aking nickname. Na-input ko na yung aking first name, middle name at saka last name and the nickname, tap ko lang si next. Then the next step, create your login credential, username at saka yung password. So take note, ito yung password na needed natin ilagay and at the same time create a 6-digit passcode. And sa ating username naman, it must be 8 character and at the same time when it comes naman sa password, susundan po natin yung instruction kung paano tayo mag-create ng password. Nakapag-create na rin ako ng aking passcode. So take note, kapag once na nag-create tayo ng passcode, wag po natin gamitin yung ating birthday. Dapat unique yung number. Kapag once okay na, tap lang po natin si next. And before tayo mag-continue, merong term of service, scroll down and then tap lang po natin si agree. And the next one, privacy policy, scroll down lang din natin pababa para mag-appear yung I agree. I'm here now at confirm details. Okay na ba or all good? Please review your details. So bago ko i-confirm, i-review ko muna yung details na inilagay ko dito. After ma-review, tap lang po natin si confirm. And now, processing the transaction. So, i-wait lang po natin for the next step. I'm now at verification process. Enter your SMS OTP. Meron tayong marireceive na OTP sa ating mobile number. Kapag once na na-receive na natin, input lang po natin dito. And after ma-input yung SMS OTP, tap lang po natin si next. And processing the transaction. After naman sa ating mobile number, sa email address naman, magsisend ng 6-digit OTP. And kukunin ko lang yung OTP kapag once na nasend sa akin and then input ko dito. Na-input ko na yung email OTP, tap ko lang si next and processing the transaction. And it says here, you've successfully signed up. And after that, tap ko lang si proceed to the dashboard. And andito na ako sa dashboard. Dashboard setup, mamili lang po tayo. And scroll down ko lang pababa. Since I need to activate my credit card, tatap ko lang itong activate card. Tap ko lang uli si activate to my name. And dito sa baba, activate card now. Make sure na tama yung naka-indicate sa ating credit card. For verification purposes, enter lang natin yung ating passcode na ginawa. Once ma-input yung passcode, tap lang po natin si next and processing request. And it says here, activate card. So, ang aking card is activated na. You have successfully activated your Metrobank card and pupunta lang ako or go back to the dashboard. And explore lang natin yung ating credit card. Naka-indicate naman dito yung available credit limit at saka zero use since na hindi ko pa nagamit yung aking credit card. Since na all goods na, all I have to do, explore ko na lang itong Metrobank app. And finally, naipakita ko sa inyo kung paano tayo mag-activate via Metrobank app na kung saan activated na yung aking credit card sa ganong pamamaraan. Na kung saan madali lang tayo mag-activate ng credit card gamit ang ating Metrobank app na kung saan kahit wala na tayong savings account para makapag-sign up ng app ng mga bangko like Metrobank. Sa Metrobank kasi, based from my experience na naipakita ko sa inyo, kahit wala ng savings account, nakapag-activate ako ng aking credit card. If you like on this video, thumbs up, like, share. Kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, click the subscribe button, kalimbay mo na notification bell para updated ka sa mga ina-upload kong video. This is Arn Abantao. Keep on watching. See you on my next update in regards sa mga tutorial na binabahagi sa aking YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.